Energetic leakage destroys elite performance. You can have the right goals, the right strategy, and even the right identity blueprint. But if your energy system is leaking, your performance collapses. Energetic leakage shows up as emotional turbulence, inconsistency, and burnout. It's not a motivational issue. It's an identity energy mismatch. To find out where your energy is leaking, get your free blueprint now. The link's below or in my bio. And believe me, you need to know where your emotional, cognitive, behavioral, and boundary energy leaks are, because when you have energetic integrity, it will restore your internal capacity, eliminate burnout cycles, and stabilizes your energy so you can execute consistently and predictably. Go get your blueprint now and let's prevent your energy leaks.